Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Bluff Fort Historical Site marks the location where a small group of Mormon settlers established a temporary refuge after completing one of the most difficult wagon journeys in the American West. What exists here today is not a standing fort, but a preserved site that explains how and why the settlement began. In 1880, settlers arrived in this area after traveling the Hole in the Rock route, a dangerous and improvised passage carved through the sandstone cliffs near the Colorado River. By the time they reached Bluff, supplies were low, winter was approaching, and uncertainty was high. The fort concept that developed here was about survival, not defense in the military sense. Rather than constructing permanent walls, settlers arranged their wagons into a tight enclosure. This wagon fort created a shared protective space where families could shelter, store supplies, and organize daily life. Earth, brush, and temporary barriers were used to reinforce the enclosure, but nothing was intended to last beyond immediate necessity. The Bluff Fort Historical Site preserves the location and layout, not the original buildings. Reconstructions help show how wagons were positioned and how the space functioned communally. The emphasis is on interpretation rather than restoration. This allows the site to communicate process and decision-making rather than architecture. What stands out was how provisional everything was. The fort was used briefly and intermittently. Once conditions stabilized, families moved out of individual homesteads along the San Juan River. The fort was never meant to become a town center or permanent structure. The site today reflects that transience. It exists to explain how early settlers responded to risk, isolation, and limited resources. Interpretive signage focuses on logistics, cooperation, and adaptation rather than conflict or heroism. Standing here, the openness of the surrounding land becomes part of the story. The site makes sense only when understood as a moment of pause after a long journey, a place where people stopped, regrouped, and decided how to proceed. The Bluff Fort Historical Site is about beginnings, not buildings, not fortifications, but a short-lived solution to an immediate problem. Its importance lies in what it represents, not what physically remains.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.